what does seeing a rainbow means. Look at it. Is that good luck? Tell me, somebody. Good morning, guys. So today is February 18th, and you know Lent starts today, where you choose to give up things you want for yourself. Anyway, and fasting begins for the next 40 days. This is what I'm doing. So welcome to Lent, and this is the journey. I do it every year. So I already had my water, my lemon water. Now I'm going to have this. The family's home today, so the place is noisy. Water already went down in lemon water. Yeah, so this is it. Next thing would be some smoothie. My first week of fasting is normally heavier, meaning that I'm doing it with fruits and vegetables only. So, yeah, and herbal teas. So this is breakfast right now. This is it. Great day, great day, great day. So this is fasting on day 2. And I had a smoothie this morning. So it had bananas, apples, strawberry, and peaches, right? With some flaxseed, hemp seed, and chia seeds, and that's it. I just ate a banana to itself, that's it. All right, which is bananas right here. I have some grapes, but I'm not gonna mess with the grapes. No. What I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna eat a light salad, which is just cucumber, peppers, and tomatoes. Because my fast is consist of fruits only, whether it's, so cucumber is a fruit, tomatoes is fruits, peppers, like sweet peppers, I don't know what you guys call them, which is sweet peppers. Yeah, right. Yeah, so those are also going to be involved. So stuff like that. I do herbal teas, and I also do water, lemon water, and juices. But not juice bought juices, not store bought juices. Juices where I had to run it myself. So that would be like a glass of apple juice, a glass of carrot juice, a glass, like in that sense, but nothing crazy. Yeah. And my herbal teas and bitters. Yeah, bitters. Keep the eyes bright and the liver unstagnant. I say unstagnant. Is unstagnant a word? Anyway, that. So that's what I've been doing. So far the winter is still going on. Still cold outside. What can I say? Still snow on the floor. What can I say? So that's what I'm gonna do. Is make my little salad. You know, me a tangerine can. I have grapes, so I'm gonna use those. So this is my salad, and this is my favorite plate. I have it for so many years. I love this plate. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. But cucumbers, bell peppers, and tomatoes, and that's it. All I'm gonna add to it here is some tahini, black garlic, cayenne pepper. That's it. I like to taste the food, if you get what I'm saying. I don't want the salt on it, no nothing. I just want to taste it. Okay? And I'm also adding some ginger, putting some salt-free seasonings here. This brand, I never use it, but I picked it up and it actually, you taste the seasoning.
Stop playing with me! Stop!
Right. Oh. Yummy. So we preparing for storm number 2. We preparing for snowstorm number 2. So you know the deal. Snowstorm number 2. We preparing again. Tomorrow our streets is nice and clean. Most of the snow went away. And now there's another storm to hit. So you know what I'm gonna do in the house? My nails and my toes. That's what I'm doing. Because this is crazy. Oh, we love it. Yes, we do. So I'm picking up a few fruits to hold me over. And again, 10 inches for New York. See you later. Another blizzard. Imagine that. Another blizzard. Now they're talking about 17 inches. Child, please. Okay. Welcome to New York Winter Wonderland. We love it. Not in love with it, but we love it. I guess I'm a hibernate in my bed, or what they would say, bed rot in my bed. Do my nails, sleep, eat, watch TV. Hopefully light don't go out. You have to have candles, lighters. I choose candles. And I have me a little battery radio that I could depend on. Yep. Just in case. And a couple of blankets. Yep. Just in case this light go out. Which it might not. But, you know, we strong people over here. We try to maintain. Anyway, that's what it is. Y'all ready for this blizzard? Anybody in NYC, you ready for this blizzard? Make sure ain't no salt nowhere. Ain't no fireplace wood nowhere. You know how it goes. Winter, holding on to spring. It's the fight. It's the fight. Anyway. Catch y'all later. Well, today in New York, we had spring weather. You know, the calm before the storm. Tomorrow. Yep. But I had to go to the supermarket and get my storm food. Remember, this is Lent. This is Lent. We are supposed to be fasting, right? Anyway, I pick up Lent fasting storm food. We got some cantaloupes. We got some peppers. We got some bananas. I got some, I can't even see. Yeah, I got some tangerines. Some pistachios. Love these. Sunflower seeds. Yep. some dates. Some dates. Yep. And in here, I got some more stuff from the supermarket, which is raisins, some tomatoes, kale. I want a kale salad, so yeah. I got some kale, cilantro, some more pistachios, bananas again, because I've been intaking a lot of smoothies. Yes, I have. Some more tangerines. Yep. Some more tangerines. And I got 2 avocados. And some thyme for tea. And some grapes. Yep. So that's what we're doing. So that's storm food. Now I need to get out of these clothes and go rest my ass up. Yep. So this morning for breakfast I had a cantaloupe tea. I got some cucumbers and some sweet peppers. Because, you know, we're going to be in here making what? Salad and smoothies. Nothing else. Yep. So that's it for me for today. So see you guys in the AM. I'm going to go rep my daughter's nerves. Yeah. Those started. New York. I just walked out the supermarket. I don't know why I went. I wanted honey, so I went. Why is the line all the freaking... Yeah, New York for you. So, that's New York. That's New York, okay? That's New York. When you see bad weather, don't go to the supermarket, because that is problems. Okay? Don't go. Don't go to the supermarket. That's problems. The lines is all the... I go in that supermarket all the time. 1, 2, 3 people on the... waiting for the... But nah. Today was different. Let me go my house home and find something to do. I ain't doing shit. All I'm gonna do is lay around all day. Next day. But the snow started. The snow started. Yep, it sure did. Looking like midnight. It's just after 5, 6 o'clock. So pretty. I love to see the snow on the plants. Yeah, gorgeous. It's so fucking cute. It's wild in New York. See the streets? So cute. So cute. Another snowstorm. Another. So here we are, round 2. I think it was a week ago and some. We had the first one. Or 2 weeks. Child, please. This week 2. Here we go. Part 2, I should say. When nature want to show off, she gets crazy. Look how pretty she is. Look at her. She pretty. Oh, girl. Wow. It's like 3-inch thick already. Outside is scary. Can't even see the glasses are frosted. Well, not so bad. Until you go out there. Good morning. Not so cold at all. Dandelion tea. This is what's going on out here. Please. This is so crazy. Look how deep it is. Oof. Crazy. Part 3. It's crazy. Ooh. Ooh. Part 3, snow on a Wednesday. After we just got hit. See these streets? New York look like North Pole. Funny. Ooh. Outside is, but it's not cold at all. It's not cold, but it's part 3. A day after part 2. We padded up. Yep, going for the walk. Actually, I don't know. I just decided to go for a walk. Ooh. 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 They say real New Yorkers understand this. True to this. We haven't had snows this much in years. And so much at that. But you know, New Yorkers, we get through it. They'll strap up with on your real boots and be out. Be warm. Morning, guys. So I went for a walk. End up in the supermarket to get a few stuff. Outside is crazy, but this is around 3 of more snow. Remember, we only got a day break, and here comes some more. This one is going to be very light, though, like 4 to 4 inches, something like that. I guess the walk in the park compared to 22 and 17 the other day. Anyway, I just went and got a cantaloupe, not a cantaloupe, but a honeydew, and a few little items like oranges and stuff. Alright, so I got a few stuff here. See? More snow. Yep. I walked and then up all kind of places. Anyway. Grapes. Some more bananas. Some soon oranges. Some more tangerines. More avocado. I love these avocados more than the smaller ones. Yeah, love these more than the small ones. So you can see some grapes, some oranges, banana, tangerines, this, cucumbers. Two of them. I already have some bag of Honey Crisp and tomatoes. Yeah, so that's what I got. And now I'm making me some tea and find a movie to watch. I heard this one called Madison, The Madisons. Yeah, so I'm gonna check it out and see what it is. Yeah, and I think that's it. I'm gonna just go drink some tea and chill out because what we gonna do? What is there to do? But the family's home today. They don't like the camera. This is why you don't see them. Only little man, my grandson, he loves it. He don't mind. So that's what I got. A few items. And that will hold me over for a little bit. See you guys later.
This guy literally got coffee.